Thank you so much for the business. Congratulations on your new vehicle. Let me tell you a great way to protect your investment with Zurich Shield. Zurich Shield has an exterior and interior protection on your vehicle with up to 7 years of coverage. Let me explain how it's going to protect your investment. In the science behind Zurich Shield, you have a nano ceramic protection on the outside of your vehicle. This will protect the vehicle to loss of gloss, bird droppings, acid rain, tree sap, and road salt. In Western Pennsylvania, we're going to see a lot of that during the wintertime. And on the interior protection of the vehicle, you're going to have fortified antimicrobial agents that encapsulate each fiber of the interior, protecting you from mold and mildew odors, food and drink stains, oil-based stains, inks and dyes, lipstick and makeup, pet stains. And let's talk about the leather and vinyl punctures. You have up to less than 1/4 of an inch. Also for the leather and vinyl tears, less than 1 inch. And loose seam stitching. And let me show you how the Zurich Shield protection works on the interior of your vehicle. So we have an unprotected section and we have a protected section of the strip here. I'm going to place a permanent marker on the unprotected section for up to 10 seconds. Perfect. And you can see how it bled through there a little bit. Let me show you the protected section now with the Zurich Shield. Which one would you rather have? So if you're like me and you don't get to wash your car every single time it gets dirty, what a great way to protect the integrity of your vehicle and your investment overall. With Zurich Shield, you have 3 to 7 years of coverage. And when you get the Zurich Shield protection, you get the customer care kit for free. And this is going to help you keep your car looking brand new. So if you want the Zurich Shield protection, tell your salesperson. We'll put it on right now for you. Thanks again for your purchase here at Smell Auto, and we'll see you out on the road.